I am going to be cleaning my kind of space out, I guess kind of more like organizing it, but so I'm in the spare bedroom here. This is where I like actually keep my closet and stuff like that, but I have these two end tables. It's like stuck on my face. Got this end table here, and then I've got another one across the room, and they're just full of me just throwing stuff in here. So this is the first one, just stuff, if you know what I mean. I have these like bins from the dollar store, but I need to like empty out a couple of these and actually organize. Let me show you this other table here. So I have like junk on top, and then I have some stuff in here. So I wanted to empty it all out, organize it, wipe it down, just like clean and organize this space, because it's not really functional right now. It's just me grabbing things, shoving them somewhere, grabbing things, shoving it somewhere, and I would like it to not be in that loop anymore. So I'm going to first pull everything out, and then we're going to kind of like sift through it. I've got my cleaning cloths and my cleaner. I also have a bag for trash, and then we'll take out recycling and stuff. So that is going to be my game plan, and let's just go ahead and get to it, shall we? Alright, so I have the first one all cleaned out. Well, I have them both, but I'm going to wipe down with my cleaning stuff the inside and the top of the side table so that they're fresh and ready when I'm ready to fill them back up. Alright, so I am done wiping down the side tables so they're clean. Now I'm going to work on organizing everything I pulled out. So I have these bins from the Dollar General that I got. I have, I don't know, like 4 of them to use, which I think will be plenty. But I just want to kind of categorize what I have and make it a little bit easier to organize those shelves without making it so messy. So that's what I'm going to do. We'll kind of talk through what I'm doing and the categories I'm going to create as I go through them. The first thing I'm seeing here is this notebook. Was my old work notebook, but I've pretty much filled it up. So this can actually be recycled because I'm done with it. And then let's see what's all in here. Recycled. This is some makeup sample of the foundation. So I'm going to put this in my makeup bin up there. And I'm going to put all my highlighters away. That's a lipstick. This needs to go into my planner, so I'm going to put that to the side. And then this makeup eraser needs to go through the wash, so I'm going to put that to the side. But I think I want like a stationery type bin. So I'm going to just start putting things in here. These are address stickers for like mailing cards, so I have them flipped around for privacy, but that's what those are that I stuck down there. This actually needs to go somewhere else, but I also have this pack of pens that I can put in here. So that is a good start. We're gonna just see what else I can find. This is my budget notebook. I'm not gonna like put this in a bin or anything. It'll just be kind of on its own. Recycling. These are some earrings that can go in my little jewelry box. These are not mine, so I think these belong in the garage somewhere. Okay, I'm going to make like a filming bin, because this is the little case I use for when I pack up my camera. This is for my light. This is a makeup brush that needs to be put away. Alright, so I think that'll be helpful. I don't know, we'll see what else I might want to put in here. So now we're getting down to some like kind of random stuff. This is my planner for next year. I'm gonna put this just with that other notebook off to the side. So now let's get into this stuff. These are all just blank cards. So I'm gonna put these in the stationery bin so that they're, you know, in one place. This is my old phone case. It's still fine. I just switched it out. So I don't think I need the rest of this like packaging though. This can all go. And then this is some jewelry. So I think maybe I'll put a bin, like some of my nicer jewelry. Some like pretty random stuff. I think I'm gonna put all my cords also in this filming one, and I have all these extra like plugins. So that can all go there, and then I'll just stick my phone case in there too. So that should help. And then the rest of this is just kind of like random miscellaneous. This is like a little balm, you know, salve. Is it salve or salve? I've always heard salve, but sometimes I hear people say salve. I'm gonna stick it in here. This is like the little pouch I would always have in my purse. Like going to work, it just had like tea and Kleenex, and I have an extra mask in here now, gum, like kind of random stuff. I'm obviously not carrying this every day, but I still like to have it. So what I have left here, this is something I can put in my closet to just spray down my clothes. It's the wrinkle releaser. It's also good for static if you have certain sweaters that are more staticky than others. This is great. So I also have this suede shoe protector. This stuff really works, but I have extra. I have some elastic from when I was making masks. I have a measuring tape. So I'm just gonna kind of stick it all in here. And then these are some important receipts I want to hold on to. I think I'm just gonna stick them in here as well. And then I have some extra plastic gloves. These I use when I travel. So I think just kind of making a random bin will work out just fine for me. So, as a recap now, I have my iPad, which I like to watch movies and read and stuff on this, so I keep this in the side table. And then I have my random bin, This is like jewelry and kind of things that I don't need every day, but I want somewhere to store it. I have my technology bin. I have a stationery bin. And then I've got my planner for next year ready to go, and then my budget notebook here. So that is what I'm going to put back kind of away. Just go ahead and stick these back in the side tables, and then we should be pretty much done, I think. Okay, so this first one over here has my humidifier on top, and then also the charging for this camera. And then in here I put in just this one kind of technology random cords and stuff in here, since my charging station is right above there. And then on this side I have iPad, planner, budget notebook, my stationery stuff, and then the two other bins down on the bottom shelf. So that looks so much better. So I am definitely feeling better about how those look. They were really stressing me out, and there wasn't like that much, and I knew I just had to put it in bins, but I do feel a lot happier knowing that it's done. So that was kind of my mini bedroom reorganization. I know it wasn't like that exciting, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.